Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can earn $10 every minute just by uploading PDF files. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video and share. I post videos to teach my subscribers how to make money online and ways to improve their skill. So guys, if you're new to this channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to be among those who get notified whenever I post a new video. So guys, this secret website I want to show you will allow you to earn $10 every minute just by uploading PDF files. The name of the website is studypool.com. So on studypool.com you have access to over 30 million study documents from note banks, and you can have access to study documents like mathematics, science, business, programming, humanities, writing. So guys, if you are good at any of these, either mathematics, science, business, programming, humanities, and then writing, then this website is for you. You can make as low as $10 every minute just by uploading PDF files related to any of these, guys. So guys, here we have featured documents. So these are the kind of documents you're going to be uploading to be able to earn $10 for every single person that view this document, guys. And then I'm going to hit the enter button. So here we have over 2.6 million PDFs related to English. I'm just going to click on one. I'm going to view one. So guys, by the time I click on unlock documents, the owner of this PDF file is going to make $10, guys. So imagine you have 10 persons that is viewing your file. You're going to be earning $100 every minute just by uploading PDF files, guys. So guys, let's see how you can get started and start making money on StudyPool. I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how you can get started and start making money on this platform. So guys, all you need to do is to come up here and then click on sell docs. So you're going to see a button here that says start selling documents now. So how it works, we have upload documents, then get approved, and then viewed by students, and then you earn money. You earn up to $10 every time a student view your documents. So we have recent top selling documents, we have introduction to terminology and body organization study guide, and then we also have algebra integral integration notes, and then we have top earners on the right hand side. We have Alan Mitch had made over $94,000, and then we have Parmesan and he has made over $92,000, and then we have Chessmess who has made $80,000. We also have Jake Kim who has made $78,000, guys. This is huge. Imagine the kind of amount a user is earning on this website just by selling document files. So I'm just going to scroll up and then click on start selling documents. So guys, all I need to do here is either to sign up or log into my existing account, but for the sake of this video I'm going to create a new account. Or rather, I can just sign up with my Google account. If I don't want to use this process, I'll just go ahead and then click on sign up with Google. So all I need to do is to select a Google account I want to sign up with. So when I'm done reading this, I can just go ahead and then click on this checkbox which says, by clicking this checkbox I agree to StudyPool's terms of service, and then I'll click on I agree. So here we need to finalize accounts by choosing an anonymous username. So I just put in White Von Digital, and then I'm going to put my school, guys. So if you graduate from University of Lagos, you can just put University of Lagos as your school. And then if you graduate from Ahmadu Bello University Zaria like me, all I need to do is to put in Ahmadu Bello University Zaria. So after this, I'm going to upload an image. So guys, I have a professional image here. I'm just going to click on continue. So here we have homework Q&A. Tutors can help with all types of questions, big or small, ranging with hundreds of subjects from basic maths to advanced rocket science. So we have how it works: post the questions, connect with tutors, explanation and answer. So right now I'm just going to click on continue. So here we have Notebank, and then it says search our database of over 20 million homework questions, study documents and class notes. So we have featured documents. So these are the kind of document formats you are going to be uploading. So all I need to do is to click on done. So guys, we've successfully created a new account, and by the right we have Ahmadu Bello University popular documents, and then here we have sell docs dollars, and then if I scroll down we have, so if I scroll down here we have active, and then we have 0 documents here, and under completed we also have no documents, and then under Notebank unlocks we have 0 documents. So if you notice by the left hand side here we have my tutors, and right now we have 0 tutors. So guys, to get started and start uploading study materials on this website, all you need to do is to click on sell docs. So since you have an existing account already, you have an interface like this where you can just go ahead and then upload the documents you want to sell. So here we have docs approved 0, docs declined 0, and then docs pending, which is 0 because we are yet to upload any documents. And then if we click on maximize earning, so under maximize earning we have do and then the don'ts. So under the do we have high quality, which is our system will check that all content uploaded is high quality. So these are what you should take note to start making money on this website. So also we have add docs details, help students find your document by labeling documents with strong titles, guys. So to be able to sell your document, you have to give it a very catchy title, that is a strong title, and then university/course details and tags. Doing this has shown to increase sales by 480%, guys. So you also have to have a meaningful content. All contents must provide educational value, and then these are the don'ts. They do not accept low quality. Low quality content will be rejected. This includes content with no explanation, answer, or educational value. Users with a history of low quality content will be removed from this platform. So we have bad titles. Failing to label your document with a strong relevant title can greatly reduce your earning. So if you have a bad title, you might not earn much on this website. We also have duplicate content. Users should not upload content from Q&A tutoring section or duplicate content. Doing so will lead to rejected content, long delay, and ban accounts. So we also have copyrighted content. You must not upload copyrighted content on this platform. Uploading content that you do not have the copyrights to is strictly forbidden and against our policy. So guys, these are the things you are to do, and these are the things you are not to do in order to become a member of this website and start making as low as $10 every minute just by uploading PDF files, guys. So guys, you might be wondering, how am I sure that this is going to work? So 2 days ago I was browsing on the internet looking for ways to make money while uploading PDF, and then I found out this website, Study Pool. I created a new account, and then I have some study materials which I've taken from my class. So all I need to do was to upload the study materials on this platform and give it a strong title, and make sure I follow all the do's, and then do not go with the don'ts, and make sure that all the do's were all checked. Then after that, I uploaded these PDF files on this platform, and then in less than 24 hours when I came back to check my document, and then I realized that I've made over $100 just in 24 hours just by uploading PDF files. If you're not the type that knows how to write, you can also get your friend's study materials and then upload it on this site and start making money from your friend's study materials, guys. So it's so easy to make money on this website. So what to upload? You can upload quiz and exam prep. You can also upload old assignments, guys. So if you're good at writing assignments in class, you can upload this assignment on this website. If you're good at setting quiz and exam preps, you can also upload it on this platform, and then you make money just by uploading all this. You can also upload your class note, and then you can upload multi-language content. We accept content in all language from all countries. So guys, if you're in Arabic, you can also upload content in Arabic on this website, and they are going to accept. So if I click on this menu and then I click on balance, my balance. So right now I have Notebank unlock 0, and then I have quick question tokens. I have 0. I have total balance $0, pending balance $0, outstanding fine. I also have minus $0, so I have no outstanding, and then available balance I also have 0. So it's so easy. You can just come here when you have an available fund in your account and then click on withdraw money. So here you can view all payment history and also view all payment refund. And then it says here study pool charges and 50% service fee on purchase transactions. For more information, you can just click here to find out. So guys, the second way to earn on this website is becoming a tutor. So if you're not good at uploading documents and then you're good at teaching and then you want to earn money from the comfort of your home, all you need to do is to click on become a tutor on this platform and start teaching. So with Studypool tutor account, you can freely switch between students and tutor mode and enjoy the benefit of tutoring on Studypool, such as lowest service fee. Starting at 20%, Studypool charges the lowest service fee in the market. We like to give our tutor what they earn, so there are no hidden charges on this platform. We also have reliable income, make good money using nothing more than your knowledge and then your keyboards. Guys, you have full freedom and flexibility. Choose when to work and where you want to work from. There is no boss, no office, no quarters. Create your own schedule. So to get started, come to apply now. So apply for a tutor account and start earning money by helping fellow students. So guys, there's no doubt that we have a lot of students out there that want to learn, and apart from that, we also have a lot of students that want to get a lot of study materials for the exams and text and so on. The fact here is that there's no limit to the amount you can make on this platform. If you have enough time, you can even make as good as $2,000 every month just by uploading documents on this website. So all I need to do is to click on apply now to get started. So after that, I will just click on start your application now and then click on start application. So it says if matched to a question, you are expected to provide the student with a complete explanation and answers to their question. You will see questions posted by students and you will need to bid to answer the question. The process will happen exclusively over chat, messaging, and all communication will happen solely on the Studypool platform. So when you are done reading this, you can just click on acknowledge. So these are tips you need to know before you start your application process. After reading that, you fill in your personal information. When you are done filling in your personal information, you go ahead and then save and then continue, and make sure you fill out all the forms, and after that your application will be approved. So here we have switched to student mode. If you don't want to become a tutor anymore, that is by answering questions, you can just come to switch to student mode and make money just by uploading PDF files on this platform. So guys, this is how super easy you can get started on Studypool and start making cool money from the comfort of your home. So guys, if you know you enjoyed this video, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from this video. See you guys in my next video.